Welcome to King Tech Engineers. Here we can make a connecting rod in a Solidworks 2026. Here we are drawing a front plane. Two axes. First here one axis and here axis. The axis it will be from 20112. Okay. And draw one circle. Outer circle is a 45 degree. That is 45. And this inner will be 27. And it will be draw a freehand sketch like that. And here one arc. And here one it will be taper is there. Okay. And here one arc is there. How to create new part? Select new part. Okay. Select from lens, sketch. Here draw center lines, infinite lengths. This point, horizontal one. This point, vertical one. Okay, make it right click. Select offset of this line. This line out. Okay. Up to 201.2. Enter it. Okay. And escape it. Or escape it. Here draw. Escape. Draw one center line. Escape it. Draw one circle. And again here one circle. Smart dimension. 54 diameter. 45 diameter. Here to here dimension is 201.2. Okay. Okay. And this point and this line. Escape it. This line and this point coincident. This point and this line coincident. Yes, escape it. Okay. Which one? Select one line. Now from here, this one, and here one, and here one, and attach here. Escape it. Dream entities. Here one, here dream entity. Okay. Here dream it. Here also dream it. Okay. Escape it. And make a mirror entities. Select this line, this line. Mirror about this axis. Make it okay. Escape it. And extend this circle. Okay. Escape it. Draw two arcs. Here one. Okay. Escape it. Do the smart dimension. This arc will be 40 radius. Okay. And give the dimension, smart dimension. Here too. Here it will be 30. And here too. Here 50. Oh no, this will delete it. Here again draw one arc. Smart dimension. Here to here 6 degree. Here it will be given 6 degree. Okay. Escape it. Get it downward. Escape it. Okay. And draw one arc is here. Touch home. Or draw one circle. Here one. Escape it. Do the smart dimension. 22.5. Okay. Smart escape it. Smart dimension. Escape. This and this are equal. This and this tangent. And this circle and this circle. Tangent. Escape it. Dream entities. Dream it. This one dream it. Okay. This one dream it. And also. Oh no, delete it. Okay, escape it. Do a smart dimension here. Radius 22.5. Okay, escape it. And make this one. Here. This and select this one. Mirror about this is make it right click. Trim entities. Select trim entities and trim this. And also here one trim. Control slide it. Also trim this one. This one. This also trim. Okay, escape it. And this one is 40 is okay. And this one dimension. Here too. Here. It will be 18. Okay. And here too. Here. It will be 50. Okay, and here will be 30. Here to here it will be 76. 76 plus 18. Okay, 94. Escape it. There is no line is there. Attach it. Escape. Okay. And make this line this arc tangent. Okay. This tangent. Escape it. These and these are tangent. These and these are tangent. Okay. This radius 22.5. Okay. Escape it. Now so this line and this line are tangent. Okay. It will be greater. Exit the sketch features. Extrude boss base. Take a mid plane and make it a 18 mm. Enter it. Right click. Okay. And select a plane. Reference plane. From front plane. Flip this side. Up to 19. Okay. Sketch. Convert entities. Here this outer, this inner. Okay. Mill it. Offset it. This way. Up to 9. Enter. Select 9y because of 27 and 36. Outer is a 36. And 36. 27 minus 36 minus 27 is 9. So we can offset it. And here outer is a 45. Okay. We will extrude it up to 38. Here given is a 38. This base and this upper guy. This upper guy. We will create it. Okay. Okay, this will extend it. Okay. And this will delete. Okay. And one line is there. Here to here. And here to here. Escape it. Extrude was base up to 38. Enter it. Okay. We can go. This will not a mid plane. Cancel it. But this was extruded. This is not a mid plane. This is a blind. Okay, make it. And here give a fillet. Here one fillet is there. Radius 3. Okay. Select fillet. Here fillet. Here one. And here one. Radius 3. Enter. Okay, make it. And also give one fillet. Here one. Here one. Here one. And here one. It will be radius 9. Okay, make it. And again we can create holes. There are 2 holes are there. Here one. Radius diameter will be 33.8. Okay, at this center. And here one slot is there. Center will be 90. And here to here will be 18. That is inside is 8. It is 16. 8, 16. Okay. Here hole wizard select. Make it 38.8. Okay. Position. Select this face. Select this edge. And this center. Make it. Okay. It will be created. Select base. Select this. Okay. Again hole wizard. Select this face. Or it will be 9 mm. Here given. Inside it is 92. And this center to this center is 76. Okay. 9 mm. Position. Select this face. And then click here one. And here one. Or control save. Control save. Select this face. Right. Position. Select this center. And select this center. And make it. Okay. And click isometric. Okay. Select sketch. And select a slot. Escape it. Sketch now. Select this face. Sketch. Select slot. Here draw one slot vertically. Okay. Smart dimension. This will be 90. Okay. And this will be radius 8. Okay. What is the center to distance is in here to here. It will be 201.2 divided by 2. Enter. Okay. And it will be deeply extruded cut. Extruded cut deeply up to 4 mm, and here one fillet is there, radius 1. Okay, 90 degree, and the center will be this center to this center middle. Okay, I will create. We need to deep up to 4 mm. Enter, select it. Okay, and this cut extrude, mirror it about the front plane, make it. Okay, click the isometric, and select fillet. This outer edge, radius 1. Enter, and also select the back face of this one. Okay, make it again. So this back face, and edit this. So select this edge also. This is also okay. Make it greater. Okay, 33.8 and 45. Okay, it will be created. Look like this. Okay, okay, friends, and we can assign appearance metal gold, polished gold, whole body. Okay, control plus, and hide this plane, and select this one plane. Here. Here too. Let's get evaluate the circle measure. This will be 38.8, and this will be 45. Okay, it will be corrected. Make it isometric. Thank you for processing. Okay. Exit this case. Save as a connecting rod V6 engine. Connecting rod for V6 engine. We see. Exit. Okay, yes, it will be space. Thank you.